To hide your Instagram following and followers list from people you don't know, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, at the top right corner to open the settings menu. From the list of options, scroll down and tap on Account Privacy or simply Privacy, depending on your version of the app. In the Privacy section, locate the Private Account option. If your account is currently public, you will see an option to switch to Private Account. Tap on this. A confirmation prompt will appear explaining what switching to private means. Confirm your choice by tapping Switch to Private. Once your account is private, only people who follow you can see your full followers and following lists. Users who do not follow you will no longer be able to view these lists in detail, effectively hiding them from strangers or non approved followers. That's it. You've now successfully hidden your Instagram followers and following list by making your account private. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.